Welcome, my name is Balazs and we are checking out the brand new iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max colors in this video. We have 5 different colors for the iPhone 15 and 4 different ones for the new titanium iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So let's get started. So guys, which color did you guys like the best? The 15 Pro Max and the Pro obviously have the new titanium finish, where I'm not sure which one I would buy. Probably the lightest one in color. This is the normal one. Obviously for the next videos this will be the interesting one to look at, but of course I will do a comparison video with the 15. Is it worth it to go to a Pro or Pro Max, or is the regular 15 and 15 Plus enough? That's the question here. So let's hear from you guys which was your favorite color here in this short video. So let's hear from you guys which was your favorite color here in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. If yes, then please leave a like and subscribe. See you guys around in my next tech video. My name is Balazs and have a good one.